It's me again. Let me adjust this goddamn screen. There we go. Want to look at me? You want to look at this? What do you call it? This damn. Let's lift it up so you can see my face. There we go. Yeah, it's me again. Picked up this thing. It's a number 33F pump oiler, 6-ounce capacity, made USA, Eagle brand. It's a nice blue one. Very nice. I have I think a gray one and a red one over there. I don't know. Probably have 10 more of these. I thought it was cool. The other cool thing I picked up, which I don't know if I showed you another video. Where is it? It's in my pocket. I posted on Instagram. Somebody's like, "Are you gonna sell it?" I'm like, I don't know. Never didn't think of the idea of selling it, but well, see, we all have one of these. But y'all got one of these? Look at that. Look at the difference. It's a itty bitty screwdriver. This is a big one. This is as big as the end there. See? Somebody was like, yeah, look up whatever. So whoever told me to look up, I think it's something Smith screwdrivers. They're apparently, this sucker's tiny. Got that. Just been, what do you call it, working. I'm going home because it's almost midnight. I got to get up early tomorrow. I'm, working on my milling machine, trying to mill down the piece for the, the shim stock for this frickin' vise that's driving me nuts. And maybe if I'm daring enough, I'll try to fix the other one, but it looks like the other one, looks like the other vise that they welded, basically, what the hell's wrong with this thing? Yeah. It looks like the other vise that they welded is like, hold on here, let me move this microphone, it gets caught on me. It looks like, back to what I was going to say, it looks like the other vise that they welded up, and it must have cracked and broke. They must have took out about, I don't know, 1.5 inches of the vise, because it's 1.5 inches shorter than the other one, and I don't think the size of that vise, I think it went out further. But I've been looking online for a replacement part. The screw's fine, everything's fine. I'm just going to play around with it. I had, what else did I have? I had something else to show you. Got an old chair, 80-year-old. You gotta see, this is pretty cool. This is cool. Apparently it was in a machine shop for like years and years. And a friend of mine sold it to me for probably way too much. But it's just like so like steampunk looking. I mean, look at this. It's so old that it wasn't MIG welded, it was brazed together. It's got, looks like bolts, rusted bolts for the feet. It's got brazing everywhere. It's not the, what I'd call the highest quality chair I've ever seen. But it sure is pretty cool. It's just bent metal. It's got a double layer piece of crap top on it. I guess they wanted the old wood surface. But it does have one fine quality. One excellent quality to it that a lot of chairs don't have. It's the perfect height for my short little feet. And that's it. That's all, folks, for tonight. I'll make one more video. Oh yeah, I got an idea for another video. So while I'm spitting out videos, I'll end this one. Don't forget to check out the dudes listed below. Thanks for subscribing. If you're my 190th subscriber, awesome. If you're 191st subscriber, even more awesome. If you get me to 200, you're awesome. Thanks a lot. Where's my little button? Enjoy. Yeah.